Botox is useful for many diseases now, not only for spasticity, even for trigeminal neuralgia. Spirit, huh?
The spirit I use.
Okay. Even for trigeminal neuralgia, we can give Botox. Hello?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. For even fibromyalgia case,
Okay,
we can use Botox. There are a lot of studies going on, but they are not recommended.
okay.
Even trigeminal neuralgia, I think it's recommended, sir. People.
What is the rationale? What is the rationale in case of
See,
Botox?
please see this. This is a temporalis muscle. Ask the patient to clench the teeth. Palla kadinga. Yes. Udunga. See, we can feel the temporalis muscle. Okay.
Yeah.
Here is the temporalis artery. I can feel the artery, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So around the artery, you have to give, but should not go to the artery. Okay. You have to give 5 points here.
5
Okay,
points.
5 points. Okay. Old theory is 3 points, 3 to 4 points.
Okay.
Now we can give 4 points according to the patient's pain site. 4th point or 5th point.
Okay. Do you need to locate the
Yeah. So actually,
point?
I will give you a manual, the pamphlet of this where to give, how to give, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So that it will be following easily.
Do we need to locate the tender points?
No. Actually, no.
Okay.
Last option, one point we can do that one.
Okay.
I'm giving you the maximum bulge site,
Okay.
and exactly there are some points to give.
Okay.
You can see in the pamphlets.
So you're giving approximately 10 units in temporalis muscle only.
Only 25 units maximum.
20 for temporalis alone.
Yeah, 20 is okay.
Okay.
If a patient is having mainly on the lateral side pain,
Okay.
we can give 25 also. Now I gave 4 sides.
Yeah.
It's optional. Sir, இந்த இடத்துல வலி உங்களுக்கு அதிகமா இருக்குமா? எந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு வலி? தொட்டு காமிங்க.
இந்த சைடு புறா இப்படி வரும், இறங்கி வருங்க, இறங்கி வரும்.
இல்ல எந்த இடத்துல அதிகம், இந்த இடத்துல நான் போட்ட இடத்துல வரேங்க.
இந்த இடத்துல அதிகமா வருங்க.
Okay.
சும்மா அப்படியே தட்டி
Okay. சரி. Okay, leave it. பல்ல கடிங்க. See?
You are using
optional.
the dry gauze or
Spirit gauze.
spirit. Is it advisable to use spirit gauze?
Yeah, nothing, no problem.
Okay.
It's optional one. Okay. Okay, that's it.
அந்த செட்
இதை பிரஸ் பண்ணாம போடுங்க.
ரொம்ப பிரஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
பிரஸ் பண்ணாம.
So I think most of you will be knowing about the HIT score, HIT 6 latest version, where HIT score for migraine headache,
See, again temporalis.
where the
I'm
score,
giving-
maximum score is 69, and you can ask the patient to initially before going to the Botox injection, you can ask the patient to do the scoring.
Any more questions
every 7
on that
days.
side?
Yeah, people are watching.
Any more questions?
So for Botox, the evidence is level C, and your it's like 20,000 cost.
Yeah. 20,000 cost.
Yeah, cost is 20,000, and the evidence is level C. It's not even B.
But we are getting good result if we give properly. But there is no option. So many patients are suffering even after all the medicines. So what is your next choice? What will you do if the medical, oral medicines are
So
failing?
even the Botox effect lasts only for 3 months. You are saying
Yeah, we
that-
are getting more than 6-7 months. We are doing for the past 1.5 years.
Yeah.
Okay, the thing is, the first case I have done, no, he didn't get even now. He developed pain even now. But after that, we go, wait, just a minute.
No concomitant therapy, only Botox.
Just 1 minute, please. ஒன்று 3 சைடு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பல்ல கடிங்க சார்.
Sir,
Yes.
these are the same sites that are used for wrinkle lifting, and sometimes patient has ptosis and other muscle paralysis.
No, nothing. This is a very small, few quantity. 5 units we are giving. Okay, at each site. Prone position.
No, like 5 units you have given so many sites.
Yeah.
So it must have been 100 units by now.
See, this is what they recommended. You see, PREEMT study, PREEMT. Okay, in the websites you can see the PREEMT study. They are recommending this out after doing more than how many cases, sir? 3,000, 4,000 cases. Just I ask you to go through that one, please.
Prem,
Yeah. Now
Will
it is the
you-
occipitalis muscle. Sir, tell me.
will you explain the modality of action of the Botox on the?
Sir, those
aspect? Okay.
theoretical things we will discuss later, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, this is only intervention. Just you see how to do.
Okay, okay.
I just my aim is to show that it is nothing will happen. Don't be afraid to do the intervention procedures.
Okay, sir.
This is what I want to. If you want, I mean, all interventions we are doing here. That is, we are giving training in the fellowship program also
Okay, okay.
every month. Okay, so if you have many questions, we will discuss later.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. This is the occipitalis muscle.
Okay.
Show. See, this is a nuchal line. See this. We have to give zigzag manner.
Is the technique peppering around the muscle or it's at one point?
No, it's not in the one point. So it's I am walking out,
Okay. it's-
entering with withdrawing the needle
Okay.
to check whether it is in the any vessel or not. Then I withdraw. While withdrawing, I am giving the injection. Okay, it's like zigzag one. I give here, then I am giving here. This is the
Okay.
occipitalis muscle. Just to cover widely.
All right.
So as far as possible, you can block many neuromuscular junctions. Okay, it's a zigzag manner like.
So 5 units is given around say 1 or 2 square centimeter. Is it okay?
Yeah, possible. One centimeter.
One square centimeter. Okay.
Oh, no, not 1 square. This is zigzag manner. I am covering this whole.
All right.
Okay, one side.
One of the delegate wants to know why zigzag. Can it be?
So just to cover the maximum area. That is what recommended in that the papers.
All right.
Even in your experience,
Yes,
you
sir.
said that you are giving for the past 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Um,
That's what we have to follow. This is one of the technique.
Okay,
If you
okay.
want, you also can do some study in this.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
How is the improvement? Like patient feeling much better and
Yeah,
more
that's
relaxed?
what. That's why we are doing.
How is the relapse rate? Anything?
See, I am doing now paraspinal muscle.
Okay.
Two sides in this left side and right side, two sides. Okay, tell me, sir.
Is there any relapse after this or any? Patient get back the pain again or how is like?
Yeah, after 6 months, one patient came.
Okay.
That is 2-3 patients came after 6 months. I didn't get recurrence within 3 months.
Okay. Okay.
But we have to do study on this.
Okay.
So now this is the second muscle. The back
So paraspinal muscle.
paraspinal.
Yeah.
Paracervical.
Paracervical. Yeah, paracervical. See, then trapezius. Okay.
All right. And how many points? How many muscles or how many areas you can infiltrate?
Procerus, corrugator. Just calculate the procerus 5 units.
All right.
Corrugator 10 units.
Okay.
Then I am giving the trapezius. Better to go in the somewhat bigger needles, a big muscle. But I am using this now. Just see.
Yes. I think trapeze is a very deep muscle. You
Yeah.
can.
Just I am entering very deep now. Okay.
Is it only the upper trapezius you are going to
Yeah,
infiltrate?
yeah. Upper trapezius.
Prem, suppose our needle, though short, you are using insulin needle.
Yeah.
Though short, suppose if it enters some blood vessel, is there any harm with that?
Actually, saying nothing happened. Even I gave one time. Okay, it entered in the vessel, but nothing happened.
Okay.
But be careful. It's a recommended
Yes, yes,
thing. Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
That I understand. Okay.
So out of my experience, I am telling nothing happened. for
Okay,
one
okay,
case.
okay.
So last dose.
Basically, we decide on selecting a patient based on the medication duration of
The case is
medication.
over. Tell me, ask me.
Yeah,
Sir,
medication.
what is it, sir? Okay. Customer
Beyond the level
See,
six.
just I am asking the patient is he having any pain now? Is vali irukka?
ஒன்றும் இல்லைங்க.
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Prem, one more question.
Yeah,
I
sir.
want to ask the patient.
Yeah, sir. Sir. We will go to the Chengalpattu Medical College now.
Okay.
We will discuss there on the way.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for
Thank
all
you
the
very-
audience. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Prem. Thank you very much, Dr.
Thank you,
Sumar
thank
and
you,
your
thank
team.
you, thank you, sir. Yeah.
We had really nice session.
I have to thank my senior,
Nothing.
Dr. Sumar, and thank my colleague, Dr. Revati, who assisted me everything. Yeah, come to the.
Yeah, I congratulate your
and
team.
My, and my team, yeah, has come. She's the Devi staff nurse and she's Shiba staff nurse. Technicians are there outside. I am thanking them personally. Thank you all of you.
From on behalf of all delegates, yeah, there's a big appreciation here.
Yeah.
We congratulate your work and we thank your team for putting up a good show now.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.